Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'm going to show you how to get iPhone keyboard on this device. So as you can see, I have the standard Samsung keyboard here, but actually you can get the iPhone one just by downloading the app Keyboard for iPhone 12 iOS keyboard from the Play Store. Then you have to open it. Then you have to give all the permissions it requires. No ads in my video. Then you have to enable this keyboard here. Then you have to switch from the Samsung to iPhone keyboard. And as you can see, now I have the iPhone keyboard. Wow, you can even customize some of its keyboard's feature. For example, you can change its styles here. You can change its fonts. Wow. What else can you change? Here you can change languages for this keyboard. Okay, so you can't change styles, unfortunately, but so far you have the iPhone keyboard. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.